Hey guys, this is JD Vay with Motor Trike down in Troop, Texas. Excited that you talked about another one of our awesome products today. If you're in the market for a trike conversion, we always want you to consider Motor Trike. And we make the best trikes in the world. Our Gladiator conversion for the touring models for Harley-Davidson, even our Spartan line for the Softail. The great machines give you more accessories and more riding capabilities. But if you don't, and you decide to buy a Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide, that's okay. We make some amazing products for that as well. So here I am on a brand new 2020 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide. And we have a bunch of our accessories that we know after 26 years that people really want on trikes. So the most visible one are the running boards right here, our Tri-Glide tracks. These are great accessory to add and bolts right onto your existing Tri-Glide all the way back to 09. This one's a 2020. So the great thing about them is they still retain the factory options that work, such as the parking brake. You can put your foot on it right here at your heel and click it, and then to click it off, you just click it. So everything still works the same, just as it does with or without the running boards. The other thing about our running boards, and the great thing, is it makes it getting on and off the trike even easier. So all you have to do is step on them. That's the great part about them. There's a foot pad right there, and you can stand on there and jump up and down. They're very strong. They can handle it. Other options that we know that people really want are our Fender Bras. Those rocks and stones chip this up pretty good as it's going down the road. We also have the bras for the Tri-Glide tracks right here. And another one is the inner fender bra right here for the passenger. They always put their feet up here and they're always kicking this paint right here. So we make these bras, they snap on and off, you can see. It just snaps on and off. There's two more at the bottom, comes right off. And you just snap it right back on. And that'll protect your paint. In addition, the running boards also come with the option of fog lights and a chrome ring, and they have a switch that you just install right up here on the front. You just touch of a button. They give you increased visibility, more lights right there on the ground at night and stuff for driving. We also have our trailer hitch on here, and our trailer hitch is great. Bolts right onto the frame, has a removable drawbar. We've been doing this a long time, sold thousands of them. So in addition to the trailer hitch, the tracks, the bras, the fog lights, and all the other options we've talked about, just remember one other thing if you own a Tri-Glide. A lot of times that electric reverse that you have from Harley-Davidson doesn't always work exactly how you want, or as the bike gets a few years old and you have some issues and it's not in warranty anymore. For the same price pretty much, you can buy our Motor Trike mechanical reverse gear, and it'll bolt right here on this bike as is. It will work easier and better. Again, it acts like first gear. If you're not familiar with it, go to motortrike.com and look at the videos on our mechanical reverse, and we'll show you how it operates. It operates just like first gear. You let the clutch out, you can use the throttle. So where do I get these products? Our reverse or our Tri-Glide tracks, our running boards, the fog lights, the bras, any of them, trailer hitch. You got two places and two places only. You can go to motortrike.com and find your nearest Motor Trike dealer, or you can go to Drag Specialties.com and find your nearest drag dealer. We encourage you to go there, find one, go contact them, get a quote. Drag keeps these things in stock at all times, and they should be available to ship within really any day. Motor Trike's been making trikes for 26 years, so we know what people expect from the products that go on trikes and motorcycles, and we encourage you to go there, purchase some, and I promise you won't be disappointed. As always, thanks for watching. Continue to watch us on our Facebook, social media, and our websites for any product changes as we continue to develop new products each and every day.